ready to unlock the power of automation without spending a dime on hosting. Today, we're diving into how to host N8n locally for free, turning your computer into a personal automation powerhouse. First, you'll need to make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your system. These are the basic tools that'll let N8n run correctly. If you don't have them, head over to the official Node.js website and download the installer appropriate for your operating system. npm comes bundled with Node.js, so installing Node will get you both. Once Node.js and npm are installed, open your command prompt or terminal and type npm install N8n. This command downloads and installs N8n globally on your machine, allowing you to run it from anywhere. With the installation complete, simply type N8n in your terminal and press enter. This command starts the N8n server on your local machine. Your browser should automatically open to the N8n interface. If it doesn't, just type localhost 5678 into your browser's address bar. And that's it. You're now running N8n locally, ready to build awesome automations. Now you can start creating workflows, connecting your favorite apps, and automating repetitive tasks, all on your own machine and under your control.